Hi, it's Gail with Gail Southern Living. What are we going to do today? We're going to put the baby chicks into the coop. Now this is our old coop back here, the wooden one. This cream color one over here is our brand new one. So we set the old coop up for the new chicks to be in. So we're going to get that done. They look like they're ready to go out. And we checked the weather. It's going to be good weather, so we're going to go ahead and put them out in the coop today.
Guys, here now it's for my part. Little guys are gonna go in there and watch it. Say guys, little gals, because they're all hens. But anyways, it's graduation day for the chicks.
Yoo-hoo!
Might be wondering why so many bricks. I got about a 6-inch space with the bricks that will deter a predator from trying to dig underneath and get them. All right, so we might have a leak in the bottle, in the watering thing, because it's empty.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay, introduce.
You have to do the introduction.
This one is Lucy. She was named after one of the characters from Seventh Heaven. This one is Ruthie. Also a character name on Seventh Heaven.
Yeah, I can get in there.
Get the darkest Wyandotte one. And this one is Mary, also a character from Seventh Heaven. Mary, Lucy, and Ruthie. The other chickens went out, but I don't want them in the way of the video, so I didn't let them out. But they did free range yesterday, Friday and Saturday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This one is that one Dot or Marigold?
I think it's Marigold.
Okay, this one's Marigold.
Yeah, it's Marigold.
My daughter named her after a flower.
This one's Dot because of the dot on her head.
Okay, Dot. Taz named that one. He's locking them up in that part so they won't get out while he's getting the other ones. I was actually thinking about painting the coop red, but our local store didn't have their shaker up, so I couldn't get any paint. And I believe this one is Gretchen. Named her after my sister that passed away last year. So I got 3 Wyandottes and 3 golden sex links. That's what our local feed store had, so. Is that all of them?
That's it. And I think we're going to have to get a new watering tank because I think it leaks. It's empty. And you know I filled it a couple of days ago. It should have been empty.
Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, can you give me the chick food? Locals? We'll fill it up again.
So we're just going to set them up with food and water and grit, and maybe put down some diatomaceous earth for them, and just get the coop ready for them to be in it. Looked at the 10-day forecast, and it looked like good enough temperatures for them. They do have that small part in there where they could sleep that's nice and covered, and should stay pretty warm in there. We put some fresh pine shavings and all of that in there, so they should be good. So we have them set up. Okay, some diatomaceous earth on the ground helps with the bugs and the mites and all that kind of stuff.
Yes, sir. Ready?
Putting down some chick grit. We haven't given them too much food. I gave them a little bit of a muffin that was not chick food, but everything else they've eaten. But now that they're outside, I'll probably start feeding them some grass and some other things. They were starting to get too big for the tote. I noticed they were getting kind of tall, so I said, I think it's time to put them out.
All their feathers were developed on their wings.
Yes. So we'll start today with the training to get them used to going out to free range and coming back in. So we're going to practice that a little bit today. See how they do with it.
I wonder where our other bags are at.
I bet it's in the trunk of my car.
Well, so you can film them, see if they come out. I'll go ahead and close the door while I go look for it.
You going to let them out to free range now?
Oh, yeah. And when I pause it, we'll go around the back and we'll open up the back door and see them.
Okay, so we're going to let them out for the first free range and let them have a practice. We did bring them outside one other day, a couple weekends ago. But we might as well get them started with the practice of it all. So he's going to open up this little coop door, and then the little baby chicks are going to come out to free range. I opened up the door back here. Oh, there's the first one coming out. Behind the scenes, Taz is trying to talk them into coming out. Oh, he's throwing them out now. Well, they gotta get started somehow. There you go, there's 4. 5, 6. Now we need to shut that door so they don't keep going back in till it's time to go back in. Thank you, daughter. Very cool. Look at them. They look so tiny in this. Ah, now you got it. They're pecking at the ground. They're getting the hang of it. Yeah, Lucy definitely has the lightest color head. And Mary has the most black on her of all the 3 Wyandottes. They look so tiny compared to everything else. They're so cute. So he is adding a heat lamp to keep them warm at night, you know, for a couple more weeks. Our last frost date is April 1st, which is next weekend, but we thought that it was time for them to go out. He has the heat lamp facing into the window so they can get in that corner and stay warm at night. And it's you know, 70s and 80s during the week next week, so I think that they will be okay. I had to kind of make a call on that as to whether I thought they were gonna be okay for the night, and I thought, I think they're big enough. When the tote starts looking too small for them, it's time for them to go outside. So, and since we have their coop already set up, pretty much. So, thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not done that yet. And please leave me a comment, and please share my video out on your community tab if you don't mind. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye.